How to use the status column on monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can have the status column into your Monday board and how we can use it within the automations. So we're going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account as usual, and we're going to head over our workspace. Once we have been to our workspace, we're going to head over the board as you can see like that. We're going to click on the board, and then we're going to find, as you can see here, the group and the different columns. So the status column is going to be already or generally in all of the boards. So we're going to find them just like that. How can we add it in case we do not have it like this? So I'm going to add a new column. And from these columns, we're going to find from the essentials ones, we have status. We can go ahead and click on it. Basically, it is going to be grade like that. We can go ahead and click on it and edit not edit, but basically you're going to have the status labels. As you can see, stuck, working on it, done, and the grade one is going to be empty, so we have no status for it. And also, we can set up AI columns within this, and you can edit the labels by adding new labels or having default ones. So these, as you can see here, labels, or not the labels, but basically this status column is going to be very helpful when you're going to create automations. So we're going to head over the automations, then we're going to create a new one, or I can show you here something. When this happens, for example, I'm going to do a trigger. When the status, as you can see, changes to something, we are going to put the status. This is going to be an automation for the status. When status, for example, we're going to put here the status of the status itself, not the priority. As you can see, we have two columns that have been named or have the same purpose, which is going to be status, but the names or the nomination is going to be different. The status changes to something. You're going to put something like maybe done like that. You're going to do this. For example, we are going to move to the next group. For example, we are going to choose one or two groups. I'm going to create this automation. This is it. And maybe when you are going to have this, for example, video editing, maybe status, it is going to be on done. The automation is going to be starting and it is going to be right here. So I haven't created the automation yet. So we are going to redo the process. Status to done. We are going to move to the group like that, create the automation, boom. So this is it. Now I'm going to put this on working on, done again, and you're going to see that the automation is going to be running. So this is going to be the automation that we have set. This is it. And that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.